Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful greeting card which we can use it in New Year because New Year is coming. Otherwise you can use this card anywhere as you wish. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.